these are the fruits I got. Let's unbox it together. So I got banana. I'm going to be using banana. I got apple. It's not a complex smoothie. So let's do the smoothie together. So and I got oranges. So I think I'll just put just one orange. Okay, let's say maybe just two oranges. Okay, so I'll keep the remaining ones. I'll drop the remaining ones here. Then I have dates. This is dates. Although the banana is going to make it sugary, but I think we should just add maybe two of it. Let's just do two of it. So I want to wash everything. I'm not going to, I can't wash my orange, of course. I can't do that. Okay, so just watch me as I go ahead to prepare the smoothie. Let's do it together. Yes, so drop this. Okay, so washing my banana. Washing my apple. Okay, this is my date. So we are going to be using this blender. I'm going to blend it. I want to do it a rough smoothie, not the one I take out the shaft. No, I like taking it with the shaft because it's very, very nutritious with the shaft. Yes, it is. So this is what I'm going to use to blend this. Peeling off my banana. I want to cut this out. Okay, putting it inside direct. Banana, put it inside. I'm going to use all the banana. Yeah, put this inside. Okay. Okay, I'm done with the banana. Let's slice up apple. Okay. I'm going to slice it into small pieces so it's going to grind easily. I really don't want to waste anything. No, it's not good to waste. Yes. I think this can go. We are good. Okay. So this is our orange. We are going to peel it. You can slice it this way. Let's do it this way to make it easier for us. It's optional. You can put it, you can forget about it. I actually was looking for watermelon to add up with this without the orange, but I didn't see watermelon. So I thought this combination is going to be good too. So in case you have a good combination too that you have done before, please, you can put in the comment section. Make sure you remove the seed. Remove the seed. You can put in the comment section. So next time I can try that. Okay, we are almost there. This is going to be very nutritious and very nice. Yeah. Make sure there is no seed. Make sure there is no seed. Everything neatly done. Take off all the seeds. All the seeds. Take it off. I want to use two of it. We're almost there. Almost ready. We'll cut this same off so it won't be hard. Although it will still blend, but I just want to take it off. Let's not forget our dates is inside the water. I'm going to include our dates. Where is the date? Okay, this is it, two of it. We are using two because already our banana is going to be sugary. How do I take the seed out of this? Really? How do I do it? Have to be careful. Okay, so this is the seed. We've taken the seed off. So this is it. I'll do same for the second one. We'll do same for the second one. This is the seed. The seed is off. Okay, then we are good to go. Our smoothie is almost ready. This is going to be very thick, so we need to add water. Hold on, let me get my bottle water. We need to add our water. Yeah. Yeah, we are done. So this is how it is, as I showed you previously. So I'm going to add water to it because this is going to be too thick. Remember, it's the banana that are all dry things. The only thing that's a little bit wet here is actually the orange. So I'm going to add a little water. Just check the consistency. See, okay. I think this is fine. Let's try this. If it's too thick, we'll add more water. Very good. So let's grind it together. You're going to be grinding it together. Just watch out. I think the consistency is okay. It's not thick. It's just normal. So let's check if it's too thick. I think it's fine. It's fine. Let's not add any other water. So just one more grinding and we are done with our smoothie. This is banana, this is apple, this is orange and dates smoothie. So one more time so the shaft can be well grinded. We are good to go. So we're going to turn it into the bottles, then we are done. Just want to show you how it came out. Yeah. So this is it. This is how it so yummy. So yummy. So the next thing is to put it in the refrigerator. Then we are good to consume it. Ooh, very nice. So this is it. This is so you can also try yours. Please do well to try yours. Okay, you can have your own combination. Just let me know in my comment section. Thank you so much for following me along. Please kindly subscribe to this girl's channel and like and comment. Okay, so if you have not seen this beautiful face before, this channel we do lifestyle and we do self-care tips and a sprinkle of laughter. We just make you relax and entertain yourself. I love you so much. Thank you for being all through with me. Thank you so much.